So you might be wondering why I'm out here on the beach. Got a project, you know, to build a thing out of driftwood. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Love to be able to get that out. I can make a cool table with the roots. There's one over there too. But no, it's dope. Oh, got some wood. Probably will need more. But now I got to fit all that wood in there on top of there. I have a box truck. I don't know why I don't use this. This is just so quicker. You know? It's just a little quicker. Well, got the car loaded up. Now it's off to the shop. Let's go to the shop. See you at the shop. So I got this order for a custom shoe rack out of driftwood, and she said hanging things, but it's for shoes. So then you have to hang it with your shoelaces. So I have to come up with some ideas, and I'll just quick sketch some. So one idea is get this pen working good first. Get the dip. Is like a thing. Come on, you stinking pen. Okay. Well, like a common shoe rack with driftwood. You know, I want to do like crazy arches and stuff like that with the driftwood. And I'm just doing quick sketches really fast. So then one like that with a crisscrossy driftwood. You know, like this with, you know, shelf things. Of course, more shelves. Or she said she could hang stuff, so like another one would be like driftwood with a thing like this with limbs coming out. You know, or the other idea was like a teepee type thing. Back, which I don't know about the teepee one. The teepee one would be kind of cool. You have like things like this, and then I thought inside it would be net, fishing net. So yeah, those are 3 ideas, and I think I might send her these quick sketches so she can get kind of an idea. And yeah, I know those are really quick, but you know, they're just like quick ideas. But yeah, we're gonna go for those and see how we go. Well, I'm waiting on to hear from the lady, so I thought in the meantime, I'll just make a boat rack while I wait for her. But she only wants her shoe rack thing to be 4 feet tall, which is only about this tall, which really isn't that tall. But in the meantime, I'm gonna make a shoe rack or a coat hanger. Could be a shoe rack, just for fun. While I wait, and you never know, maybe she'll want it. So yeah, I was gonna take this, cut it, put a beam thing in here so it looks kind of modern, and just stick it on a cool slab and put pieces on it. I think that'll look pretty cool. See how that one turns out, and then we'll do the other one. Well, in the meantime, while I was waiting for the thing, I made this. You know, I think it's pretty cool. That's the switch on it. You know, this has to dry a little bit more, and then I'll put a sealer on it. But hey, it looks pretty cool. Old nails holding the thing, old fixture. Pretty cool. Just getting the rhythm of this driftwood. But I think this looks pretty rad. I want that in my house. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool little thing. Finish it up more. So I cut these into like 3 feet and something lengths. Those are going to be the corner poles. We're going to do the square version. It's going to be great. Yep. Now we cut sides. Oh, I got a lot done in between, but you see in the time lapse. So this is it. I cut all these slats, and those are from 1920s wood from the Mount Vernon Theater. So yeah, now I'm sanding them up and taking the nails out, and then doing that. And then the next thing is to cover it all with more driftwood, and I think a dangly light up there. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Yeah. Well, got it all sanded and all those pieces on there and the holes filled, and now it's time to polyurethane it up and get it out of here. I think it looks pretty cool. Once it's all done, then I'll do another little recording of how it looks. Yay! Hi! Well, we finished it up. I finished it up. Now we're off. We're gonna deliver it. Here it is. Wow! 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 Blim, 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 blim. Blim, 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 blim. That's it. This looks nice, huh?